one of the biggest thrills of using is making that call, waiting for it to be dropped off, or going to get it. Well, let me explain something to you about an experiment. There was an experiment called the rat light experiment. And what scientists did is they took these rats and they put this light bulb with a wire attached to a button, like an on-off button. And they would press the button and the light would come on, and they would take the rat and they gave the rat an injection of dopamine. That's that thing that you're searching for when you're looking to use the packet. And then they measured the rat's dopamine levels after the injection. And of course, they found the dopamine spike. It raised the level because they'd given it an injection of dopamine. Now, they repeated this pattern over and over and over again. They turned the light bulb on, gave the rat an injection of dopamine, measured the rat's dopamine levels, and the dopamine spiked. And they did it through repetition, over and over, just like you when you make the call. Then what they did, this was really interesting. They turned the light on, they didn't give the rat an injection of dopamine, and they still measured the dopamine levels in the rat. And the rat still had a dopamine spike. And they tried it over and over again. They found each time they turned the lights on, the rat had a dopamine level spike. In other words, it's the anticipation that you're going to use, the waiting for it to be delivered, the waiting for you to go and get it, the waiting for it to be dropped off. That creates a dopamine spike. You're just like that rat, waiting for it to happen. What's that about?